Guys, my friend Audra's birthday is coming up, and you know what? I want to get her a nice present without taking any money out of my own pocket. So in this video, I thought it would be fun to try and make as much money as possible Shopify dropshipping on my newly founded website, enchantingtherapy.com. Then as soon as we make some profit Shopify dropshipping with that website, I will take whatever money we make and buy Audra a birthday present. We might make like $2 profit and get her a can of silly string, or we might get lucky and come out with a boatload of cash by the end of this episode. Guys, this is definitely going to be an interesting experiment, so stay tuned. For those of you who are not aware of the product I am selling on my Shopify dropshipping website, well, it is in the beauty/skincare niche. The product is called an LED therapy mask, and it uses LED technology to clear acne, reduce wrinkles, and inflammation on your skin. I'm selling it on my website for $49.99 each, and I'm sourcing it from AliExpress.com for only $12.78 per unit. With that being said, it is time to get into our advertising strategy for this product. The goal with this venture is to make at least $100 in profit, so we're going to have to go pretty intensive in terms of ad spend. I am going to start things off by messaging a ton of Instagram theme pages and personal influencers in the beauty niche in hopes that they respond to me and agree to post my dropshipping ad for a reasonable price. I am not going to be using Facebook ads for this venture because for some reason Facebook won't approve the ads for my store as my product focuses on a specific body part. I don't know about you guys, but that is probably one of the stupidest reasons I have ever heard for a Facebook ad not being approved, and I really hope that Facebook goes out and changes their policies because they're getting really out of hand at this point. But just because Mark Zuckerberg is absolutely killing the vibe for this challenge, it won't stop me from finding some solid sources of advertising for our website, enchantingtherapy.com. So if you guys excuse me, I have some work to get to. Yo everyone, it is now another day of this challenge, and well, I have some pretty good news to share with you guys. I just closed 2 Instagram theme page deals. One of those deals is going up today with a page by the name of Skincare Period Lovers with 2 E's. To start this promotion off, I went ahead and PayPal'd the owner of the page a fat $20 bill, and after that, before I knew it, the ad went live. Right now on this challenge, we are about $20 in the red, but hopefully after getting some sales on our Shopify store, we can turn that negative bank account balance into something tremendously green. Yo guys, so I was just playing some Wii Sports tennis at my own leisure when suddenly I realized we got our first sale in the Shopify store for $55.14, which is absolutely insane. The ad on the page has only been live for about 45 minutes, so we are off to a super good start with this promotion, and hopefully we can secure hundreds and hundreds of dollars because that would be absolutely insane, and then we could get Audra an awesome present. After getting our first sale just 45 minutes after the Instagram ad went live, I felt much more at ease with the entire promotion, and I went along with the rest of my day as usual when suddenly around 7:30 p.m. at night, we got another sale on the site, baby. It is currently 7:31 p.m. and as you guys can tell by my phone lock screen, we just got another sale on the Shopify store. That brings our total for the day to $110.28, and all in all, I am super happy with how today finished off. We ended up getting 2 sales on the Shopify store, and with those 2 sales, I'm pretty sure we profited about $60 after all product costs and marketing costs. Tomorrow, we have an Instagram theme page promotion with the page Makeup KRZ. I've worked with the page in the past and the promotion went decently well, so hopefully we can continue that success and get some sales tomorrow.
Good morning to the best family on YouTube. It is truly an early morning because as you guys can see, it is currently 6:53, and well, yesterday I ended up getting another sale on the Shopify store, so let's roll that clip from last night. It is currently 10:10 p.m. and as you guys can see, we just got a sale on the website for $55.14, bringing our total revenue on the day to about $140, which is absolutely insane. Guys, as I mentioned, it's getting kind of late, so I'm gonna go
ahead and head to bed, and I will keep you guys updated tomorrow with another day of this challenge, which is going to be more interesting because not only are we working with another Instagram theme page, I also have school, so I'm going to be showing you guys a little day in the life of the financial wolf as I show you how much money I make.
As I mentioned in that clip, and the reason I am up and in my car so early in the day is because I actually have to attend school today. So today you are not only going to see how my promotion goes with the page Makeup KRZ, but you are also going to see how an average day of school looks like when the financial wolf attends school every Tuesday and Friday. So guys, with that being said, I'm already running late for school, so let's get going.
And boom, to get to school on that early Tuesday morning, I hopped in the old Corolla mobile and drove to school as fast as Speed Racer while listening to one of my favorite songs. After jamming out to music in my car, I arrived at school and walked inside. However, I did have to leave class at 8 a.m. to give you guys a critical update on the business from the school's vaping facility. It is currently 8:40 a.m. and well, I just left my second hour class to give you guys this update because my ad on the page Makeup KRZ is officially live, and if I get any sales, I will be sure to let you guys know. As soon as the Instagram ad went live, traction started coming to the Shopify store at a pretty intense speed and people were even checking out. But unfortunately, at the end of the day, no visitors converted into paying customers until I was leaving school around 11 a.m.
It is currently 11 a.m. in the morning and I just got off of school, and well guys, I have some good news. We just got our first sale in the Shopify store for $55.14, which is absolutely insane. If we are able to keep up at this rate of sales on the Shopify store, we'll be able to buy Audra a pretty expensive birthday present, which is always awesome. Also, if you guys are curious why I get out of school so early, I'm doing this program by the name of School to Work, where seniors get to leave their school early to focus on their job or their business. So for me, I literally get to leave early every day to focus on making YouTube videos for you guys and also focus on building Shopify stores and doing whatever I feel like to make money. So now that we're out of school for the day, it's time to head back home and I will let you guys know if I make any more Shopify sales.
It has now been about 2.5 hours since I left school, and well, our new total in Shopify sales is $275.70 for the last 2 days. As I just got a Shopify sale about 30 minutes ago, I was super hyped about.
You see this, guys? Let's go! We got another sale, baby!
Guys, let me tell you, hearing that ka-ching sound when your Shopify store generates a sale on your phone is one of the best feelings you will ever experience in your entire lifetime. I don't know if it's just me, but I really enjoy hearing that ka-ching sound. Anyways, all jokes aside, and now that we have made our money Shopify dropshipping, it is time to calculate our profit on this challenge and then pick out a gift for our friend Audra based on whatever we made. To calculate the profit we made Shopify dropshipping, we simply have to subtract our product cost and marketing costs from the revenue we generated. Starting things off with our product costs, we spent a total of $82.90 on product, and that can be broken down by buying 5 LED therapy masks at $16.58 each from AliExpress. As for our marketing costs, we spent 2 different amounts of money on marketing campaigns. The first was a $20 promotion, and the second was a $35 promotion for a total of $55 in ad spend. After subtracting all of those expenses from our $275.70 in revenue, our profit for this challenge comes out to a fat $137.80. I know, guys, I am just as hyped as all of you because we finally made a profit Shopify dropshipping, and it shows with hard work, dedication, and consistency you can make it in 2020 starting a Shopify dropshipping business, even if you're a dumb idiot teenager with an IQ lower than Forrest Gump like myself. So with that being said, everyone, let's go get Audra a present with the amount of money we made Shopify dropshipping. After seeing the profit we made Shopify dropshipping, I thought of buying Audra a Jeep Gladiator, but as I browsed the prices on those babies, I determined I didn't even have enough money to cover the first lease payment. So instead, I settled on a brand new pair of Apple AirPods, and I'm not talking the Chinese ones you can get on AliExpress for like $4. And just like that, I went on Amazon.com and found a pair of Apple AirPods just barely within our price range if you ignore the shipping cost. And just like that, I ordered the AirPods, and 2 days later, they came in the mail, and it was time to surprise my friend Audra with her brand new headphones.
Alright guys, so I'm out here in my backyard with Audra. I'm about to give her the present we just earned by Shopify dropshipping. So Audra, here you go. Go ahead and open it for the vlog.
Oh, I like the paper.
The wrapping
The
paper?
wrapping paper.
I know,
Little
great
dogs,
wrapping job.
Christmas dogs, it's my favorite. Oh my gosh! Whoa! Whoa! Thank you so much!
You're welcome.
Oh
I'm
my
glad
God.
you enjoy it.
I do. Thank you so much. That's so cool. Ooh, it's so satisfying. Whoa.